Fabbi is not a user. Fabbi is a prop. She's a prop. And Jaden, listen, Jaden is going to be blamed for all of these females when ever say my try boss. He's going to be blamed. You see, Shay come out and speak a lot about you against with you bashing on females. You see, she come out and she talk that about her brother. You know, you sleep and mark that, you know. It just take one more female for come and say the same thing. Fabbi careless, and the argument done. Fabbi is a big dirty careless girl. That's all we want to know. We not care because we see she lost of a king don't name for reject her. You understand me? And then she go to Pop's YG, and then she go to Pop's brother, and then Fabbi just a pass round. So on donkey, they would rather come to the net and tell him that in his face and say, remember me ever in a club or something this, remember me ever done yes or do that. Why would they need to put out our crutches? This is a mild exposure. This is not to hit hard.
Power
so
off.
We'll not try say, we'll not try make argument out a prank. It's not a new picture. Exactly, my baby. Exactly, my boy, like it's that they either think it new and from the date she skin out. You understand me? They would rather come and get them thingy right here, so. But because it has to do with Jaden and Fabbi's coming back, it never make the money for them. Them now make no sense because everything a confusion. I mean, they dip on the picture. Who do something over the face? We not care about who want dip on the picture. We just want to know Fabbi careless. And the argument done. Fabbi is a big dirty careless girl. That's all we want to know. We not care because we see she lost of a king don't name for reject her. You understand me? And then she go to Pop's YG, and then she go to Pop's brother, and then Fabbi just a pass round. So, that is the problem. So what? So whether or not she wants to Jaden put it out, Pops put it out, TJ put it out, Mountain put it, it's not the putting out, it's the carelessness. The reminder is is carelessness. And that them I remind you about. How you leave your business to come sell crutches again. Who do all you? Who do all you? Why did that do clit? All of this just nasty and confucious. It's not confusing, it's just confucious. All of this. The whole of una some big crutches, man, sit down on the live in a one mix-up prank. Both one girl crutches, who send out who. Una moving, the whole of una dirty and nasty and worthless. All because una want Jaden staying in them house, you know. And have the whole of una away, both man and woman. Have the whole of una away. And don't want it sound serious. Who are threatening, who gonna get lick in a face. The internet is not about that. The internet is more than that. We're not gonna grab on the Bible. Fabbi always a show crutches per line. She's a gigabyte crutches seller. Jaden ricochet from one nastiness to a next nastiness. From one negative situation with Shay, it ripple right into another negative situation with Fabbi. Coming right down the line. And that's the level of frequency that has been exuded on the internet. Low vibration. It will catch up. It's going to catch up. One thing in life, you see, anything at all you put out there, you shall always reap it. Jaden, leave these females alone. Leave these females alone. I mean, you mean good for an individual, but the outside don't see it as you mean good. Leave these females alone, Jaden, because you are promoting them and others are seeing it as you are degrading them. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. You go on until Shay get the last laugh. Alright. You know how much time you slide through my For You page and see some females, them want to speak badly about you, you know. But them not have no case. Them not have no case. Not care how much people like you today, they will eat you quickly tomorrow. Nobody honor your friend. Nobody is not your friend. No one is your friend. And you know it, to stay away from this. Sometimes you make people fight for coming in your presence. Not care what, make Fabbi go on to her own. She not just start business, then her own lies up on the app. Then she just start business. And if you start business independently, why not focus on your business? Why you come back and sell up front? Eh? Exactly, the prank was to get Fabbi back on the app. And if that's the prank that they could use with the girl, River Nile underneath her, you understand me? That from the ugly, Jaden. That from the ugly, it ugly just like you would made for each other. It ugly. For a young girl, it favor her face as RT boss say. What take Fabbi and open up? Everybody, and you know it's so funny, me I'm telling you something, and I'm going to talk this. It's just a fraction of Fabbi's attitude we're getting on the app. Because you see, behind closed door, Fabbi is worse than a wet map. Let me tell you that Fabbi is worse than a wet map. Fabbi are going like she'll welcome back herself to body. It's just a fraction of what we're hearing, you know. You never know. Fabbi worse than this. Oh. Fabbi sell crutches to get where she want. Fabbi, one of them will make me know, sir. The internet is the place where you come and you sell yourself. Exactly. Wet map. Smiley. Fabbi is not a user. Fabbi is a prop. She's a prop. And Jaden, listen, Jaden is going to be blamed for all of these females who ever say my try boss. He's going to be blamed. You see, Shay come out and speak a lot about you against with you bashing on females. You see, she come out and she talk that about her brother. You know, you sleep and mark that, you know, it just take one more female for come and say the same thing. And you see how it go. Remember, you're going to see how it go. Leave them alone. You're going good from the other day. Leave them alone. Just like how you keep your marriage private. Keep yourself to yourself. You're starring and going like you're a cloud. You're starring and got a water and going like you're a cloud. You're star from most of them where you come from your life. Yeah, make them say you stay bad. You don't need somebody for steer because Jaden don't want to be steered. I am Fabbi's daughter. Accept my ad. I don't like how you speak about my daughter. Come suck me. Come lick out my body hole. Oh. Come eat me. Come eat my bitch. Yeah, I don't care who you be. Fake page or real page, I don't care who you be. Come near me. Yeah. Maybe Jaden is the one causing all the chaos. See what I said? This is the problem. Jaden cannot cause chaos when Jaden been paid to be chaotic. So how Jaden for cause chaos? She come to introduce herself as Fabbi mother and talk so she a Fabbi daughter. Wanna man? Why you miss now? Yeah. But don't like how you're speaking about my your daughter is a dog. Fake page, your daughter is a them in the still. Your daughter is a dog. You never know. Yeah, come out. Fabbi careless bad. Yeah, she careless Bella, she careless. Bella, she careless. And that people now all are accountable for. But it will go on until everybody just group up. Because let me tell you this, you know. Jaden, me done with you. Me done talk. Me done talk. You know if you maneuver yourself, big man. You're up on top of your thing. Yeah, man. You know what you do. Yeah. Let me see if Fabbi are gonna come back with our business now. I say, guys, you know, we got this or we got that. Fabbi, I want box you. I want box you. I want box the butch. I want box the butch. You think a joke? I want slow punch her. I want say, yeah, man, I didn't so. Lord! Ooh, me in the movie a while ago in the Bell. Me in the movie a while ago. No, not eat me yet. For sure. Not eat me yet. Me say, I know the punch can't reach. For sure. Me in the movie a while ago. It get to my man. No, Evan. You know what, people? May I come back and me go take out something for cook here. May I look for one waiting in the head, donkey head. And see if me can cook piece of that today. You know what I love, you know? Little more. Can't bother with Fabbi. And we're out.